Hey, so I don't really have any motivational stories that I'm gonna be giving to you that's going to make you feel motivated for years and finally be consistent at doing your stuff. No, I don't have such thing. But the thing that I have is that I have a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, literally anything. This is March 6, 2025, and this is going to be day 241 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, one question: do you play video games? I don't know. If yes, well, okay. If you don't play, then, well, that's still okay. Because the point that I'm trying to be making here is that I believe one of the most interesting factor in video game, the thing that makes us just keep on playing that video game on a day-to-day basis consistently, is that because we want to see our character getting stronger and stronger, better and better, right? And I believe in real life, we actually also want to have the same thing. We want to have better grades. Also, like, we want to exercise better. We want to have stronger muscles. We want to be able to practice our art and have a happier life in general by doing positive things, right? We want to see our characters level up in real life, okay? So, here's the thing. There's this one application in Play Store that I've been using. I used to use it for like 1 year, but I'm currently not using it anymore. It's called Habitica. Okay. So what is Habitica? Basically, Habitica is a habit tracking app. Okay, so basically an app that you use in order to track all the positive habits that you are trying to build and also leave all the negative habits that you are trying to delete. Okay, but what make Habitica different is that Habitica integrates gaming aspects, gaming elements into the application itself. Okay. Okay, so basically I'm gonna be giving an oversimplified version of Habitica, oversimplified explanation. So basically you're gonna be given a character, and then in order to level up this character, the thing that you are going to be needing to do is you need to do your positive habits, you need to do your daily schedule, and so on and so on. Every single time you manage to do your thing, your positive thing, you are going to be rewarded by experience points, by gold, and then you're going to be able to make your character even stronger by buying more expensive armor and weapons and defeat even stronger bosses. And also, like, you can actually create a party with your friends and defeat monsters together. And yeah, on the other hand, if you do your negative habits, like, maybe like doom scrolling or anything else, your character is gonna lose its health point, and then at some point it might die, and so on and so on. So yeah, basically it's basically just an RPG game, a simple RPG game where you need to level up and maintain the health point of your character, stay alive by doing all the positive habits and avoiding all the negative habits that you have. So yeah, I think like Habitica got a really interesting concept. You should give it a shot. Basically, you're gonna be leveling up in real life and also in video game simultaneously. But the thing that I really believe that makes Habitica extremely, I don't know, maybe like pretty effective in order to help us be consistent at doing our things and also avoid the negative things, is that because you know basically Habitica give us more reason to actually do the thing, to actually do the positive habit. So even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to actually do our exercise, to do our studying, we are gonna be having more motivation, a new motivation, okay? Because we want to level up on this video game. Okay, so even if I don't really feel like I want to do my exercise today, well, I still want to level up my character in Habitica. I still want to live in Habitica. I don't want my character in Habitica dies because I neglect my positive habits and, you know, decrease my health point and so on and so on. Okay, so basically this is going to be it might be the solution for you guys who've been struggling to be consistent, but you just cannot do it. Maybe this is going to be one of those applications that's going to be the stepping stones for you, okay, to be consistent at doing positive things and delete the negative habits. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for today's date authenticity post, Mimzar posted a Greenland post last 24 hours. This is March 6, 2025. Thank you.